Does your process room look like this? Is there an ever-present fog in the air? Are employees constantly mopping the walls, ceiling, and equipment? Is the USDA going to stop your production? Installing an AcuAir process room air handling unit can help. AcuAir units provide refrigeration, room pressurization, filtration, condensation control, and sanitation, all to meet your process room requirements. In normal mode, also called process or auto mode, the unit supplies 90 to 95% recirculated air, along with 5 to 10% outside air for ventilation and room pressurization. 30% pre-filters and 95% final filters eliminate virtually all airborne contaminants. The cooling coil operates as required to maintain room temperature at 40 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's take a look inside the unit in operation. Outside air is drawn for ventilation and pressurization and is mixed with 40 degree to 50 degree return air from the process room. The airflow then passes through the 30% efficient disposable pre-filters, drawn by the powerful unhoused plenum-type centrifugal supply blower. Many options are available for refrigerants and coil construction. Final filters use non-fiberglass synthetic media. The result? Cool, clean supply air on its way to the process room. The only parts of the system that are visible in the process room are the AcuAir supply diffusers and return boxes. There is no refrigeration piping in the room. By proper placement and airflow direction, the walls and ceiling of the process room are constantly washed by conditioned air from the unit. Condensation is eliminated from all surfaces, and there are no more drips for the USDA to find. Air turnover in the room is enhanced, giving even temperature distribution. That means no more hot spots and no more cold spots. High-velocity jets of cold air are eliminated, so there are no more worker complaints. In short, the end result is a process room that is cold, clean, comfortable to work in, and condensation-free. Most importantly, the process room temperature is maintained at your desired set point. Even cooling throughout the room means no more hot spots that can halt your processing. Now let's take a look at the cleanup or sanitation mode. In this mode, all the air sent to the process room is fresh outside air. That air is heated to between 70 and 100 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for absorbing that undesirable moisture. And that moisture is eliminated because nearly all of the process room air is vented to the outside during the cleanup mode. And all the while, the pre-filters and final filters are on the job, getting rid of virtually all airborne contaminants. Again, let's look inside the unit. In cleanup mode, all the air to be sent to the process room is fresh outside air. It's heated by a direct-fired natural gas or propane burner, then cleaned by the pre-filters, which prevent dirt from getting into the system. The plenum-type supply blower is ideal in process room applications. And the 95% final filters essentially eliminate all yeasts, molds, spores, and bacteria. Only clean, warm air is sent to the process room. And after absorbing moisture like a sponge, that air is then expelled to the outside, leaving the process room dry and fog-free. Using time-lapse video, we'll actually see the effects of the cleanup mode in operation. We added excess moisture to this room to dramatically demonstrate how effective the cleanup mode is. In minutes, the fog we added is virtually gone from the process room. With 4 hot water hoses operating 10 feet beneath it, you can barely see the last of the fog as it enters the return box. So if you want your process room to go from this to this, contact AcuAir, your local Frick salesman, or your refrigeration contractor.